So you actually did coach the CC game in '95 then?
Yeah, I did. And then we had.
But you were the head coach at the end of '94, is that it?
They hadn't named it. I was probably
But
interim.
you were there.
Yeah, I was there. Yeah, I was there.
But did you win the title in '94?
No, we won in 95 and 96,
Okay.
not 94.
Your first full season.
94, we got knocked out by Orchard Lake, I think, in I don't know what round it was, but we played Orchard Lake. And they had, if I'm not mistaken, they had David Barnes. So I can still remember our tailback running down the field. We thought he was going to score. And David Barnes came to the other side of the field and walked him down and said, oh, we're in trouble.
And Galliano was probably right there with
him. Yeah. But no, David caught him easily. I mean, and he caught him before he got to like the 25. It wasn't even close to being a touchdown. So that's just how good David was. Yeah. All right, man. Thanks, guys.
Did quarterback learn anything from this, you think? You came out scared or no?
He's not scared. He's a real calm kid. I think his feet got a little happy, you know what I'm saying? We didn't protect him good. We had some guards just O-laying some defensive linemen. So we kind of made it hard on him. And we don't throw the ball good enough yet, you know, but he's growing. He's going to be a good quarterback before it's all said and done. But I think we just got, you know, we made some changes in the offensive line last week, you know, and then we played CC, and then you see those changes aren't the answer. So we just got to keep searching.
Gonna make some more changes?
We got to do something defensively, man. That was crazy.
Right.
I mean even more than the offense. I know we turned the ball over a couple times, but I think our defense didn't hold up at all. And, you know, you can kind of attribute that. But everything they ran, of course, we knew what they were going to run. It wasn't any deception, and we just didn't play it good. They either kicked our butt at the line of scrimmage or we were out of position. So we got to do a much better job defensively. All right, thanks, man.
Good luck.
All right, good seeing you. Yep.
Hey. Yeah, hey, off the record. What I saw out there, not to criticize the coaching staff, but it's on the players. What I saw out there was a lot of grabbing defensively. Like this. Tell them to square down, throw the shoulder into them, stick them. I ain't hear now one hit.
No, well, they brought it to us, you know, and we didn't do what we needed to do. So, you know, obviously, there's so many problems. We'll get to film and see exactly what it was, whether they were just manhandling us or we were out of position. I think it was a combination of both. We just didn't play good today.